Hey everyone, I welcome you all to this video and I am going to start a new playlist, and in this playlist I will be uploading videos on important Excel functions that you should know as a data analyst. And today we'll be beginning with some of the very basic functions, and we will discuss about those functions, right? So let's begin with the first video. And in this video we are going to discuss about sum, average, minimum, maximum, min max, that is min max, and product function, right? So let's see how that works. So first of all, this is the data that we have our data like this. As you can see that we have two columns, we have data in two columns, that is column A and column B, and this is the data that we have, right? So first of all, let's say I'm interested in knowing about the sum function, and I want to know the sum of the numbers written in different records, right? So here we have a total of 7 records, and you can see that the numbers are written like this. So first of all, in the D column, I'm writing the sum of these numbers, right? So since I want the sum of the numbers written in the rows, so I can use the sum function. And whenever you are writing a formula in Excel, it needs to begin with an equal to sign. So first of all, in D cell, I'll type equal to, and then I will write sum. When you will write sum, Excel will show you the different functions that you can use. And since you can see this blue color on sum function, so I will now press the tab key and this function now becomes active. Now you need to pass the numbers inside this function of which you want the sum. So you can just simply click here on the first number that is written here, and you can simply drag it like this and then close the bracket. So this will give you the sum of the numbers written in the first row, right? And now let's say you want to find out the sum of the numbers written in other rows as well. So you can just simply drag it down like this. So this will give you the sum of the numbers for each record. So here in column D, we discussed about sum function. So I will write sum here. Let's not write it here. Let's write it here only. Right. And now let's say we want to discuss about the average function. We are not interested in finding out the sum, but we want to know about the average. So what we can do is we can simply again in this particular cell, that is E1, I'll just simply type equal to, and then when you'll write average, again average appears there. Just simply press the tab key, this function becomes active, select the two numbers like this, close the bracket, press enter, and then simply click here on this number and drag it down like this. So you will get the average of the numbers, right? So here let's write average. Now let's say we want to know about the minimum number in all the records, right? In each one of the records. So for that purpose, we can use min function. So equal to min, press tab key, select these two numbers, close the bracket, enter, and then click here on F1 cell and drag it down like this. And let's write min function here. Similarly, let's say we want to find out the maximum number in each record. So first of all, just click here in G1 cell, type equal to max, tab key, select the two numbers, close the bracket, press enter. Simply click here on this G1 cell and drag it down like this. So this will tell you about the maximum number in each record, or the highest number in each record, right? Now let's talk about product function. So product function will simply give you the product of numbers written in each record. So equal to, write product, press tab key, select the two numbers like this, close the bracket, press enter. Click here on this H1 cell and drag it down like this. So this will give you nothing but the product of the numbers written in each record. So this is how these functions work, right? Now let's say we are interested in knowing about the the sum of the numbers, all these numbers, right? So what can we do in that case? In that case, we can just let's say we want to find out the sum of all the numbers written here in A and B column, here in D11 cell. So having this D11 cell selected, first of all, I'll just simply type equal to, then sum function, press tab key, select all these numbers and close the bracket. This will give you the sum of all the numbers. Let's say I want to know about the average of all these numbers. So similarly, we can write equal to average. 1 second. Average, press tab key, select all the numbers and close the bracket, press enter. So this will give you the average of all the numbers written here. Let's say we want to know about the minimum numbers. We can simply write equal to min, press tab key, select all the numbers, close the bracket, press enter. Similarly, for maximum, we can write equal to max, tab key, select all the numbers, close the bracket, press enter. And similarly, you can find out the product of all the numbers. So you can write equal to product, tab key, select all of them, close the bracket and press enter. So that's how it works, right? So I hope this video was helpful. We will discuss about more functions in other videos, and this will be a separate playlist that will be uploaded on my channel. So I hope this video was helpful. We'll meet in the next session. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.